Hey, good morning, Kern County. So as we take a look outside, things are much calmer and quieter than they were at this time yesterday. Take a look at our cameras this morning. As the sun is coming up, clear, quiet conditions. Look at that Tehachapi camera, though. Still just a little bit of thin cloud cover. As the last of that pushes out of the way, you see high pressure is building. That means that, as you can see, the jet stream is being pushed up to the north, all of the moisture going with it. That area of tan down below, that is some dry air that is filling in instead. So coming in, there's that low, yesterday's storm pushing out of the way, taking the clouds and that wind with it. But we still have just a little bit of a fresh breeze filling into the state from the northwest. That's about 15 to 30 miles an hour in the mountains. For us here on the valley floor, calmer, quieter, sunny. That means great air quality and highs getting back to the lower 70s. That's right on track for average for today. Tomorrow, even warmer as that high pressure builds close to the 80s. But then by Thursday, you see that dip in the temperatures, a little cloud cover, a little breezy. That's another cold front moving in. But again, you see that today and tomorrow, sunny and dry. That's fantastic news. As that storm pushes on shore on Wednesday, it starts to drag the cold front down toward us all day Thursday. Now, it does mean about a 50-50 chance of rain for the Isabella region. Here we are at 4 p.m. By 5:30, it tries to fill down to Tehachapi and Fraser Park. But again, for Isabella, well, that's 50% chance of rain. Tehachapi, it's only about 30. Fraser Park, only about 20. Here in Bakersfield, 10% chance of rain, if anything. But we are quickly clearing out on Thursday into Friday. Behind that cold front, still a little cloud cover, as you see, a little cooler weather. It's going to drop our temperatures back down to those lower 70s on Friday. But that's sunny and seasonal. Great weather for our Stuff the Bus food drive. By this weekend, sunny and warmer, back in those 80s. Great news for the Camp Out Against Cancer, the Costa Superhero Run, which will be in the 60s Saturday morning. And then, of course, there's also the Country and Craft Beer Festival. A lot of people excited about that at Mill Creek. Just bring your sunscreen. Kern River Valley, here we are, sunny and warmer for the next couple days. And then by Thursday, that cold front brings you back down to 69. By Friday, only 66 as you clear out. Sunny 70s this weekend. In the mountains of Tehachapi and Fraser Park, 60s the next couple days. Friday is your coolest at 56. By Sunday, though, back in those sunny 70s once again. So if you are heading to any of those weekend events I was talking about, or if you do get rain in your area, share your photos with me. Find me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. I'd love to see what you're seeing. Now, this is the latest update for this morning. I'll see you on 23 ABC News at 11 a.m. Have a great day.